We are going to solve this problem using Bayes theorem. The problem is bag 1 contains 4 white and 6 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 4 white and 3 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be black. Find the probability that it was drawn from bag 1. So we are going to use the Bayes theorem to solve this problem. So this is the Bayes theorem. P of A given B equals P of B given A times P of A over P of B. Let us formulate our problem for the Bayes theorem. So we have to find out P of bag 1 given the black ball. So as per the Bayes theorem, we will write P of black given bag 1 times P of bag 1 over P of black ball. So in the question we have to find the probability that the black ball was drawn from bag 1. So we have to find the probability of selection of bag 1 given that the black ball has been drawn. Now let us find out these quantities. Probability of black ball from the bag 1 equals 6 over 10. Since there are 6 black balls and there are 10 balls in total, so the probability of getting black ball from the bag 1 is equal to 6 over 10. That is 3 over 5. And the probability of selection of bag 1 is 1 by 2. Since we have 2 bags and out of these 2 bags we have to select bag 1. So now we have to compute this quantity, probability of black ball. This circle is denoting the probability of getting black ball from either of the bags. So P of black equals P of black given bag 1 P of bag 1 plus P of black given P of bag 2 multiplied by P of bag 2. So now put these values. P of black given bag 1 is 3 by 5 times P of bag 1 is 1 over 2. P of black given bag 2 is 3 over 7 times P of bag 2 is 1 over 2. Now let us plug in these values in this formula. P of black given bag 1, that is 3 over 5 times P of bag 1, that is 1 over 2 divided by P of black, that is this quantity. So this is 3 over 5 times 1 over 2 plus 3 over 7 times 1 over 2. And this quantity is coming out to be 7 over 12. This is the probability that if a black ball has been drawn, so that has been drawn from the bag 1. Let us consider another problem of the Bayes theorem. COVID-19 tests are common nowadays, but some results of tests are not true. Let us assume a diagnostic test has 99% accuracy and 60% of all people have COVID-19. If a patient tests positive, what is the probability that they actually have the disease? So we have to find out the probability of COVID-19 in a patient given that patient has tested positive. According to the Bayes theorem, it is equal to the probability of a positive test given that the COVID-19 times the probability of COVID-19 divided by probability of a positive test. Now let us find these quantities. The probability of positive test given COVID-19 equals 0.99. since it is given that the test has 99% accuracy. Now the probability that a patient has COVID-19 is given to be 60%, that is 0.6. Now the probability of a positive test, it is equal to probability of a positive test given the patient is affected by COVID-19, that is the patient is actually affected by COVID-19 and he has been tested positive also, times the probability of COVID-19 in a patient plus the probability of a positive test in a patient who doesn't has COVID-19 times the probability that a patient doesn't has the COVID-19 in the entire population. So let us find these quantities. P of positive given COVID-19 is 0.99 times P of COVID-19 is 0.6 plus probability of the positive result when patient is not affected by the COVID-19. So that is going to be 0.01. Since the test has 99% accuracy, so we can find out that the probability of positive result if the patient is not affected by the COVID-19 is 0.01 times a patient is not affected by the COVID-19. So that is probability that a patient is not affected by COVID-19 is 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. So this is 0.04. Now this quantity is going to be 0.598. Now let us plug in all the values in this formula. P of COVID-19 given a positive result equals P of positive result given the COVID-19, that is 0.99, P of COVID-19, that is 0.6, divided by P of positive test, so that is 0.598, and this quantity is going to be 0.993. So we can say that the probability of COVID-19 given a positive result is 0.993.